Hello. Today I would like to speak about the importance of learning how to reinvent yourself. Would you have imagined back in January how much our lives and businesses would be impacted by a global pandemic? I certainly didn't expect that. But it has been said that if something bad happens, you can either let it define you, let it destroy you, or you can let it strengthen you. Believe me when I say it doesn't matter who you are or what job title you have. These days, if you want to progress in life and overcome challenging situations easier, you have to learn how to think differently. In my mind, the most important step to reinvent yourself is courage. The courage to make the decision to do something different. The courage to learn and to grow. The courage to try out new things without the fear of making a mistake or being judged. And last but not least, the courage to believe in yourself and your abilities. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.